Good afternoon, everybody. So Mr. Marcus here, just going to do a quick video on finding area and perimeter of a composite figure. So here we've got this kind of weird looking shape, and I want to break it up into different rectangles. I know how to find the area of rectangles, and so I'm going to take this shape here, and I'm just going to cut it a couple ways. I could either cut it horizontally like this and break it up into two rectangles like that, or I can cut it that way, and I've got two rectangles. I don't really have a preference either way. So why don't we go ahead and do it this way? I did it the other way in the homework, so let's do it like so. What I do now have is I need to find the dimensions of both rectangles. So I'm going to do one of them in blue, and so I'm looking for the dimensions of this rectangle here. And I can see that the length here is 3. So the length here is 3. And 3, and it's 6. It's a 3 by 6, and so if I'm finding the area of this shape, 3 times 6 is 18 square units. So 18 square units of area for that guy. It's a 3 by 6, and now we need to find what are the dimensions over here. So I can take a look. I'll do it in red, and so I'm looking for this length here, and a lot of people will say that it's 7. But it's actually not. The entire length here is 7 units. I know this part is 3, and I know that 3 plus 4 is 7. So altogether we have 7 units here, but this blue length is 3, this red length is 4. So that's how I got the length of 4 there. And now I need to find the width. And I can look across, and I know this whole length here is 6. And I know that this part here is 3. So if from here to here is 3 units, and I know the entire length is 6, well, I know that this part then must be the other 3. If this whole length here is 6, 3 units here plus another 3 units is 6 units. So the dimensions of this rectangle, the red rectangle here, we have a 3 by 4, which is 12 square units. So if I want to find my area, I know that the area is going to be equal to the two rectangles' areas combined. We have a composite figure. So the area is going to be 12 square units plus 18 square units for a total of 30 square units of area. Now we need to get the perimeter. So if I want to find the perimeter of this shape, I'm going to add up all of the lengths of the dimensions, add up all the dimensions of this composite figure here. So I have 3 units here. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 6, plus 3, plus another 3, plus, what's this guy here? It must be 4. This dimension is 4, so is the one above it, so is one across it. So that is 4, and then we already have that 3 there. So add those together. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 3, 22, and 22 plus 6 is 20, what did I say? Oh, I'm going to pause the video. Man, what did I just do? Let's see. 10 plus 6, 16 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. And then 22 is 26. All right, there we go. Lost my marbles for a minute. 26 units. All right, have fun, everybody. Don't lose your marbles. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.